What is the difference between accept and accept? When properly and carefully pronounced, accept and accept have slightly different pronunciations of their initial vowels. Accept is a verb broadly meaning to receive or take, to give an affirmative or approving answer, or to understand or regard as true, proper, correct, or normal. For example, please accept my apologies for not writing back sooner. We're pleased to accept your invitation to dinner. Accept can also function as a verb, but it is much more common as a preposition or a conjunction, meaning other than, excluding, apart from. For example, everyone except Janet came to the movie. He had every reason for wanting to become a doctor, except that the tuition fees were so high. As a verb, accept means to leave out, exclude, or omit, as in, he was accepted from the requirement due to his trouble walking.